Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dini Ashraf bin Zamzairi, matrix number 10DJL 19F1003.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amir Samsul Hisham. My matric number is 10DJL 19F1029.
And I'm gonna be present about steam engine. So the process of steam engine is a, first a bunch of coal are stuffed into the stove. Then the coal will be lit on fire. The fire will boil the water in the boiler. A boiler full of water that the fire heats up makes a steam. Then the steam from the boiler is piped into the cylinder. So the cylinder made the piston to move first one way, then the other. But so the motion are created from the piston, which make a machine that attached to the piston, such as crankshaft, on the train, running running up and down. So the wheel that attached to the crankshaft will make the train wheel turn. So the wheel on the railway turn makes the train to move.
Uh, I'm gonna talk about the parts of the steam engine. The generator. The generator electrical driven by small steam turbine for locomotive, lightning, and headlight. And then steam pipe carries the steam to the cylinder. Smoke. Uh, and then the main road or the connecting road steel arm that converts the horizontal motion of the piston into a rotary motion of the driver wheel. The connection between piston and main rod is a crosshead which lights on a horizontal bar behind the cylinder. Piston rod function connects the piston to the crosshead. And the boiler. The boiler function container almost full of water with a space above. The water is heated by hot gas passing through tubes, producing steam in the space above the water. And then journal box, housing for the plane bearing on a driving wheel equalizing level part of the locomotive part of the locomotive's suspension system connects to leaf springs free to pivot about their center which is fixed to the frame. Function is to even out weight carried on adjacent axle on uneven or poorly laid tracks. Okay, next I'm gonna talk about the safety precaution. First, the system, the steam system, the steam system contains high pressure steam and liquid water. In the event of a rupture, the water may be projected at high speed, causing burns some distance away. To prevent rupture, first always use only pipe and fitting rigs for steam used at the pressure and constructed only of a single type of metal. Next, do not use do not use schedule 40 pipe above 400 degrees. Never mix metal. This cause rust and eventually failure. Never use soldered pipe unless the solder is copper or phosphorus, which is rated for high temperature. And last, reduce the impact of a rupture. The entire steam system should be encased in fiberglass insulation with outer shell surrounding it. Uh, I think that's about from us. So, Assalamualaikum. Macam tu je?
Thank you for that.
Thank you.